Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install TurboTax on your Windows computer because of an error, that is VCRUNTIME140.dll or MSVCP140.dll. To fix it, install Visual C++ file. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down over here. You will see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 and download x64. You have to download both the file, that is x86 and x64. So click on it and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. In my case, I have already installed, so it's telling me to restart my computer, so please ignore the error message. Also install x64. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. In my case, this is already installed, so it's telling me to restart my computer. I have already installed it. So once the installation is complete, you will see a restart option like this. Make sure that you click on restart your computer. I'm not restarting, but you make sure that you restart your computer. After this, and after the system restart, you can try to launch TurboTax. You can try to install TurboTax and you should be able to install it and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.